How to set up your QANDA profile. First of all, open the app and log into your account using your preferred sign-in method. Next, tap on the menu section, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile page. Then tap on the edit button at the top right. Here you can add or update your profile picture by tapping the avatar and selecting a photo from your gallery or taking a new one. Next, change your username and enter a status message to personalize your profile further. After that, you will see student information where you can select your grade level so QANDA can provide more personalized answers and recommendations. Once your profile is set up, you are ready to explore the app's feature, start asking questions, uploading problems, and learning more efficiently. Now you know how to set up your profile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more study tips.